She left your message on read. You walk past her. She acts like you don't even exist. And now, you're sitting there wondering, what did I do wrong? But here's the secret most men never learn. When she ignores you, it's not the time to react. It's time to rise, and today, I'm going to show you how to shatter her ego, not with words, not with anger, but with unshakable silence and stoic power. Watch this to the end, and you'll never look at being ignored the same way again. Welcome to the Stoic Journey, where men stop chasing validation and start building value. If you've ever felt ghosted, overlooked, or made to feel invisible, this video is your emotional reset, not for revenge, but for respect. Let's dive in. 1. YSHE. Ignores you. Let's be honest, when a woman starts ignoring you, it hurts. Your ego takes the hit. Your mind goes into overdrive. Did I say too much? Should I text again? Maybe she's just busy. No, let me tell you the truth. Silence is a message, and when it comes from a woman, it's often strategic. She's either testing your emotional control or asserting power over the dynamic. Most men fail this test. They react, they double text, they beg for attention, and that's exactly when she loses respect. In a minute, I'll give you the exact 3-step method to flip this dynamic and make her ego question everything. But first, let's make sure you never make this fatal mistake again. 2. What never to do: don't chase her energy. Every time you pursue when you're being ignored, you confirm her dominance in the dynamic. Don't show emotional weakness. She wants to see if she can shake your center. If she sees neediness, you've already lost. Don't try to win her back. You're not in competition for attention. You're in command of your presence. Remember, a man loses value the moment he seeks it from someone else. You don't win her back by proving anything. You let her earn access to your energy again. 3. The 3-step silent strategy. Now here's the part you came for. Do this when she ignores you, and you destroy her ego without a single word. Step 1. Withdraw completely. Stop watching her stories. Stop reacting. Stop responding. Go dark. Your silence isn't passive. It's intentional. She'll feel it. She'll notice. Step 2. Elevate visibly without mentioning her. Post wins. Level up your style. Refine your purpose. Let her see you shine without her in the picture. This isn't about jealousy. It's about showing her that you are thriving in her absence. That stings harder than any insult. Step 3. Return with scarcity. If she circles back, and many do, don't rush in. Respond with calm detachment. You're not rude, but you're not the same man she ignored. You've evolved. And now she has to earn your attention. Stoic dominance. Most women don't expect you to not react. They expect ego. They expect neediness. They expect the same pattern of men trying to win them back. But you chose silence. You chose growth. You chose stoic discipline. That's what flips the script. When she realizes she no longer controls the narrative, her ego cracks. And in that moment, you win without ever needing to say a word. The next time she ignores you, remember, you're not being punished, you're being tested. And when you pass with silence, with purpose, with presence, you don't just walk away, you rise above. This is the Stoic Journey. Subscribe now, because your greatest power is just beginning.